Difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. This is the virtual machine that executes Java code on a computer. The JVM is responsible for converting the Java code into machine-readable instructions and executing them. It provides a runtime environment for Java applications, allowing them to run on any platform that has a JVM installed. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. This is a package that includes the JVM and a set of libraries and tools necessary to run Java applications. The JRE provides everything that is required to run Java code, including the Java Standard Library, which contains classes and methods for performing common tasks such as reading and writing data, connecting to networks, and more. JDK, Java Development Kit. This is a package that includes both the JRE and additional development tools, such as compilers, debuggers, and documentation. The JDK is the complete development environment for Java and provides everything that developers need to write, test, and debug their Java applications.